In the wake of King Charles' ascension to the throne, a question that has sparked intrigue and debate is whether his brother Andrew Mountbatten-Windsor will retain his place in the line of succession. Despite the removal of his prince title, Andrew remains eighth in line to the throne, a position that has not changed. On October 30th, King Charles initiated a formal process to strip Andrew of his titles and honors. Buckingham Palace released a statement explaining that Andrew would now be known by his full name, Andrew Mountbatten-Windsor, and that he would be surrendering his lease on Royal Lodge, the residence that had provided him with legal protection. The statement emphasized that these actions were necessary, despite Andrew's continued denial of the allegations against him. Their Majesties wish to make clear that their thoughts and utmost sympathies have been, and will remain with, the victims and survivors of any and all forms of abuse, the statement continued, highlighting the gravity of the situation. The removal process applies to Andrew's titles of Prince, Duke of York, Earl of Inverness, Baron Killyug, and the style, His Royal Highness. Additionally, his Order of the Garter and Knight Grand Cross of the Victorian Order honors are affected. Just 13 days prior to the palace's statement, Andrew himself announced that he would no longer use his title or honors, stating that he wanted to avoid any distractions from the work of the king and the royal family. Hello. Sources indicate that a comprehensive resolution to these complex issues required time, legal expertise, and the support of the wider family. King Charles' decision to remove Andrew's titles and honors is understood to be a result of the serious lapses in judgment his brother has exhibited, and it is believed that the king has the backing of the entire family, including Prince William, the heir to the throne. It is also understood that Andrew has not objected to the process initiated by his older brother. In addition to losing his titles, Andrew will be leaving Royal Lodge, the 30-room property he shared with his ex-wife, Sarah Ferguson. He will be moving to a property on the Sandringham estate, while Sarah will make her own living arrangements. The future of Andrew and Sarah's relationship has been a topic of speculation. Royal expert Phil Dampier suggested that if they were not under pressure to leave Royal Lodge, they might have continued as before. However, he believes that physically living apart could signal the beginning of the end for their relationship, as it may change the dynamic between them. This situation raises intriguing questions about the dynamics within the royal family and the impact of personal decisions on the line of succession. What are your thoughts on this matter? Do you think Andrew's place in the line of succession should be reconsidered? Or is this a fair resolution to the circumstances?